NetApp Certified Data Administrator, ONTAP NS0-162 real exam questions are the best guides for you to study the test well. 1. Your ONTAP cluster serves data and backup traffic running on the same physical port. You must isolate backup traffic from your production network traffic. Which two actions must be performed to accomplish this task? Choose 2. A. Create a namespace. B. Create a VLAN. C. Create a broadcast domain. D. Create IP spaces. 2. At which level of granularity would you back up data to tape using the smtape command? A. Directory. B. Queue tree. C. Volume. D. Aggregate. 3. Which failover policy is set by default on an ISCSI leaf? A. Local only. B. Broadcast domain wide. C. Disabled. D. SFO partner only. 4. You have an AFFA 302 node cluster and are adding a FAS 8200 to this cluster for additional storage capacity. You want to move a volume to one of the FAS 8200 nodes. Which ONTAP command is used to accomplish this task? A. Volume AGGR vacate. B. Volume rehost. C. Volume move. D. AGGR relocate. 5. You want to prevent a single file from filling up a single constituent in a FlexGroup. Which FlexGroup feature in ONTAP 9.7 will accomplish this task? Choose the best answer. A. Flash pool. B. Fractional reserve. C. Snapshot autodelete. D. Elastic sizing. 6. A customer has lost access to shares being used by an application. What are 3 troubleshooting steps the administrator should take? Choose 3. A. Verify that the admin SVM is running on the node being accessed by the customer. B. Verify that the leaf resides on its home port. C. Verify that the LIFs in the SVM are all up and active. D. Verify that the SVM has CIFS running, that the share exists, and is online. E. Verify that there is network connectivity between the SMB client and the SVM. 7. Regarding root partitioned disks in an ONTAP system, which 3 types of objects are associated with ADP? Choose 3. A. Root partition. B. Array loon. C. Data partition. D. Shared disk. E. Container disk. 8. You create a quality of service QoS policy group called untest_apps with a maximum throughput of 300 Mbps. You add one volume to the policy group, and then you add a second volume to the policy group. In this scenario, which statement is true? A. The combined maximum throughput of both volumes is 600 Mbps. B. The maximum throughput of each volume is 150 Mbps. C. The maximum throughput of each volume is 600 Mbps. D. The combined maximum throughput of both volumes is 300 Mbps. 9. Which 2 SVM types does a cluster contain after cluster creation? Choose 2. A. DP destination. B. Peer. C. Data. D. Admin. 10. You must create a CIFS share for a replicated destination volume for read-only access to the files. In this scenario, which task must be completed before you create the share? A. Mount the volume. B. Break the replication. C. Change permissions. D. Set up the preferred domain controller.